Good morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
How are you all?
Sir, we are going fine.
Okay. So now, today we have to go for discussion of some words which are based on body activities.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now look at whiteboard, and there are some words which are written, and one by one I'll explain all the words. Okay. The first word is babble. Babble means, if I say he babbles, small child babbles, you are babbling,
Right.
I am not getting. Small child babbles, छोटा बच्चा क्या करता है? Babbling करता है. क्या करता है छोटा बच्चा? तुतलाता है. Right? तो तुतलाना is babble. Okay? So और अस्पष्ट बोलने के लिए भी हम babble use करते हैं. Right? I can't get your babbling sound. Speak vividly. Speak clearly. Now, after babble, we go for belch. Belch means होता है डकार. Okay? When do we belch? खाना खाने के बाद या खाना खाने से पहले?
Both the time.
Both the time.
Yes.
I think खाना खाने के बाद.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we normally go for belching, and not decided. It is pre-planned. Automatically it comes.
Yes.
और कभी कभी जो है आपने थम्स अप पी ली,
Yes.
तो it is natural, you will 100% go for belching. डकार कैसे आती है, you know?
Yes, sir.
ऐसी आती है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So belch. After belch, we go for blink. Blink means, what do we call आंख मारना? आंख मारना क्या होता है? विंक होता है. विंक. WINK. लेकिन ये क्या है? ब्लिंक है. ब्लिंक मीन्स होता है पलकों को झपकाना, पलक झपकाना. ठीक है? That is blink. Whenever we come, okay, in light from the darkness,
Yes, sir.
we start blinking.
Yes.
Right? Suppose you are sitting at inside your home and you are going outside, then you will start blinking.
Yes.
Okay? So blink, or dust comes,
We blink.
it goes inside the eyes, then we blink.
Yes, sir.
Now after blink, next is crawl. Crawl means होता है CRAWL. Crawl. Crawl means घुटनों के बल चलना
Yes, sir.
या फिर रेंगना. Crawl है CRAWL. Crawl. ठीक है? घुटनों के बल चलना, रेंगना. A snake crawls, रेंगता है. Small child, when goes for learning, a small child crawls. Okay?
Soldier crawls.
A soldier crawls.
Crawl.
Crawls हो जाएगा. Soldier crawls. Right?
Right.
So घुटनों के बल चलना is crawl. Now after crawl, next is cox. COAX. Cox. Cox means पुचकारना. जब भी हम छोटे बच्चों के साथ खेलते हैं या पेट्स के साथ खेलते हैं, तो हम उनको कैसे बुलाते हैं? कॉक्स करते हैं, पुचकारते हैं, हंसाते हैं. या पेट्स हैं तो उनको कॉल करते हैं, दे कम नियर टू अस. सो कॉक्स का मतलब पुचकारना. राइट? इफ यू कॉक्स डॉग, डॉग विल कम नियर टू यू wagging its tail.
Yes, sir.
Right? And if you tease it, then it will bite you, bark and bite you.
Yes.
Right? So cox का मतलब पुचकारना. Next one is crack. 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 Crack means चटकाना. This is okay. I am cracking my fingers in this way. Okay? And crack का मतलब दरार भी होता है.
Yes.
There are some cracks on that wall. Okay? And he got a slight crack, okay, on a bone
Yes, sir.
when he fell down. Okay? And he has to take rest for some days. So next one, after crack, numb, NUMB, numb. यहाँ पे B जो है म्यूट रहेगा, numb, 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 सुन पड़ जाना. ओके कभी कभार हम किसी जगह पे बैठे रहते हैं तो क्या होता है, our legs get numb, right? या फिर winters में normally happens, hands get numb. So numb का मतलब सुन पड़ जाना. Next one is drool, 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 drool. Which is your favorite sweet?
I don't like sweet.
Do you not like sweet?
Yes.
Which is your favorite dish?
Pillar.
Pillar.
Yes, sir.
Which is your favorite dish? Okay, and sweet? मीठा पसंद ही नहीं आपको? कैसे इंसान है आप? ओके सो कभी कभी आप जब देखते हैं अपनी फेवरेट स्वीट्स को या फिर फेवरेट डिश को, डिशेस को, सो क्या होता है, मुंह में पानी आता है?
Yes, sir.
काफी लोग लाड़ टपकाते हैं, बोलते हैं लाड़ क्यों टपका रहे हो आप, या मुंह में पानी हलवाई की दुकान के सामने से निकल रहे हैं. Many people stand there, अगर उनके पास पैसा भी नहीं है, then they just like keep watching, or indirectly they go for filling their stomach after smelling. Okay, so that is drool. Drool means मुंह में पानी आना, ठीक है? And rat को देखकर cat के मुंह में पानी आ गया.
Cat food.
So next one is after drool, prawn. Prawn means होता है prawn, अपनी भौं को उचकाना. prawn हैरानी से या फिर गुस्से में, जब गुस्सा आता है तो भी people prawn is called. और जब लोग सरप्राइज होते हैं then also they prawn and speak.
Yes.
Okay, why are they tell the reason why are they getting surprised. Okay, so after prawn, next word is cough up. Cough up means खांसना. Okay, when people catch cold and cough, and generally it happens in winter, so people just go for coughing up. Okay, so now after cough up, next is gas. Gas means होता है हाफना. If you have to run 1 kilometer at a stretch, 2 kilometers at a stretch, you are walking, then you will be gasping also. तो गैस का मतलब क्या होता है, हाफना. Next is gargle, GARGLE, gargle. Gargle means होता है गरारा करना, ठीक है? Sometimes it happens, okay, like we are unable to speak properly, okay, and we are suffering from the throat sore problem, okay, and just doctor says that okay, you have to go for gargling 2 times 3 times in a day and you will get the relief, right? Yes. So gargle. Next is murmur, MURMUR. Murmur means बड़बड़ाना, ठीक है? जब भी कोई old member of the family गुस्सा होता है तो वो scold नहीं करता है, पहले बड़बड़ाता है. Okay, so stop murmuring. If you have a problem, let us know. We will try to sort it out. Sort it out का मतलब short नहीं होगा, sorted, SORT. Okay. Next one is giggle. Giggle means खिखियाना, अजीब तरीके से हंसना. Stop giggling. खिखिया क्यों रहे हैं आप, ठीक है? So giggle. After giggling, next is itch. Itch means खुजलाना. Okay. Stop itching. When do the people itch? When people do not take bath, they go for itching, right? You are itching? Why are you itching? You had better to bath every day. Now next one is lick, LICK. Lick means चाटना. Why are you licking my mind? Next is hiccup. Hiccup means हिचकी आना. Okay, and now after hiccup, next is groan, GROAN, groan. Groan means दर्द से चिल्लाना. Okay, you can find the people, okay, when means they get injury and sometimes they suffer from body pain.